Welcome back to channel. Everything absolutely fine. So it is Ganesh Chaturthi. So wishing you a very happy Ganesh Chaturthi. And I just started this vlog in order to like do a kind of a get ready with me, because I am finally wearing ethnics and kurta today because of the festive seasons. So and it is the second day of doing the daily vlog thing. So I should get more used to vlogging more and trying to show what I am doing in my life too much more, not too much but a little bit more. So let's get ready for Ganpati Bappa. So I'm gonna go with this kurta and this ready-made dhoti. So that is my outfit, a little bit of a ethnic kurta and dhoti. Guys, here is Papa. पूजा करने के बाद वो और ज़्यादा खूबसूरत दिखता है. But just look at the मूर्ति. So beautiful. This definitely is one of the best plays of the entire year. Yes, it is beginning with the Aarti. So
गणपति बप्पा मोरया, मंगल मूर्ति मोरया, सुखकर्ता दुःखहर्ता वार्ता विघ्नाची, नुर्वी पूर्वी प्रेम कृपा दयाची, सर्वांगी सुंदर मुखेंदुराची, कंठी सारखे वाळ मुक्ता फळाची, विभूतीचे उदंड कंठ नीळा, ऐसा शंकर शोभे उमा वेल्हाळा, जय देव जय श्री शंकरा, आरती ओवाळू सदगुर गौरा, जय देव समायतंतरी तू एक दत्त, पराई परतली कैसा आहेस, जन्म मरणाचा पूर्वापर्यंत, जय देव जय श्री गुरुदत्ता, आरती ओवाळीता आरती गोचिंता, जय देव जय सद्गुरुराया, मती देवी मंगल कौशल वर्णाया, जय देव हरे राम 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 हरे हरे, हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, आवीक्षतस्य कामप्रे विश्वे देवा सर्वा सदैति, एकदन्ताय विद्महे वक्रतुण्डाय धीमहि तन्नो दन्ति प्रचोदयात्. मंगलमूर्ती गणपती बाप्पा.
hey guys, so that is it for this vlog. This view I can just keep looking at forever. But yeah, it is just first day and it is at my place. Ganpati is there only for 1.5 days. So tomorrow will be the Visarjan and ऐसा लगता भी नहीं, like पता भी नहीं चला the whole day कहाँ पे चला गया. It is like in the morning we do we do a puja, and then we do an aarti, and then in the evening again there was one more aarti, and love the entire food because it is ukdi se modak. And yeah, that is it for the first day. It is literally one of the best weekends of the whole year because Ganpati at your home, the whole kind of ambience and the whole feel of where you live, it literally feels very different because what I believe into is based on the pujas which we do. We do a Pran Pratisthapana, which is technically into the idol which is made of like the entire mitti and clay. It gets a kind of an energy which we believe that Bappa is here, God is there in this murti for these 2 days. And tomorrow we will do a Uttar Puja, which means that we are saying goodbye to the God which was there in the idol. So that is it for day 1 of Ganesh Chaturthi. This was my outfit, and this is actually a ready-made dhoti. It actually is very comfortable. It just has a normal kind of nada which we have to put. I don't know what to say nada in English, but just a big thread. But yeah, thank you so very much if you're still watching until here. Do help me also in the comments below, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. We'll meet you in the next video.